story name is White Deer Park. Long time ago, there was a beautiful forest. Many deer lived there. One day, a king took his men there to hunt. The king shot an arrow and hit mother deer. She runs away in pain. Later, the king found her hiding some bushes with her baby deer. Even though she was bleeding and had tears in her eyes, she still fed her baby deer with milk. She soon died. The king felt very sorry. He picked up the baby deer and he said to it, "I will now care for you." Then he broke his bound in two. He said, "I will never hunt again." To remember that day, he named the forest White Deer Park. In this title means like people, animals have feeling, we can getting hurt. So we should not killing them for fun or sport. It is unkind and selfish. Thank you for listening.